want to go home. How can I crave a place I've never been? A place of infinite love and unbounded happiness. But everywhere I go, there I am. How can I be the problem and the solution all at once? How do I save my heart from my mind? A cruel place of never-ending pain. I can't run fast enough. I can't flee my own self. No matter where I wake up, I'm still here. How did I get here? I just want to go home.